And these two are getting very, very hungry. Hunting at such great speeds is incredibly depleting. Watini's energy reserves are now dangerously low. It will be hours before she has the strength to hunt again. Watini and her cubs are running on empty. Having recovered from her last chase, Watini is looking for her next opportunity. As the light fades, so does this family's hopes of a meal. Every living thing in the Serengeti depends on the sun for its energy. Watini's cubs are drained, beyond hungry now. They need to eat today.